Hey guys, what's up? It's Stephen Dunn with Core Therapy and Pilates, and I have Rebecca helping me today. And today I want to answer a quick question that I got last week from one of my clients, and it was about doing a calf stretch. Or a stretch of the Gactrocnemius and the Solues. Those are the fancy words for them. And basically the calf is what we know them as in common language. And there's two muscles in particular. The gastroc is the one up top that we can see the most. It has two heads on it that are sitting here, and underneath it is the soleus. And then we have the Achilles tendon coming down to the bottom. So what we're gonna do is have Rebecca show a calf stretch. We call this a runner's stretch, and we're gonna differentiate those two different muscles, the gastroc and the soleus. So we're gonna start off at the wall here doing a runner's stretch. So pick a calf, yeah. So for her, we're stretching her right calf. It might be backwards on the video. It might look like her left calf. Now what's happening here, we got the back knee straight, the heel is on the ground, and what we wanna do is lean forward by bending this knee slightly. Knee stays straight, the heel stays on the ground. And we're gonna hold this for 5 deep breaths. I'm gonna have you hold it for 2 for time's sake, but at home, you're gonna hold this for 5 deep breaths, okay? Now, after those 2 breaths, for her and for limited time, I now want you to bend this knee slightly. And by bending that knee slightly and doing the same thing, leaning forward, we're now isolating the soleus. Now, the soleus doesn't cross the knee joint, so by keeping the knee slightly bent, we get into that muscle. By keeping the knee straight, the calf, the gastroc does cross the knee joint. That's where we get that stretch going. And again, about 5 deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling, nice and slow. So that is your calf stretches. Do both sides, 5 deep breaths, and that's what we got for you today, guys. Y'all have a good one.